Presentation for data visualization course for certification course in business analytics, Indian School of Business, and group member names are Ankit Shrivastava, Manish Kumar Arora, Ashish Jain. We have taken a data from the World Bank data website, and those data available from 1916 to the 2013 for various countries. We have created two types of dashboard to identify the particular capita GDP analysis analytics purposes. So in the first dashboard, we have tried to identify the relation between GDP and openness to a trade, and we have tried to identify those particular economies which are very much interested into trade, and those are the biggest numbers of the major nations. So first graph we have created openness trade by the percentage, in which we have taken average openness to a trade and the log per capita in the x-axis, and those graphs in cross reference to the countries. So you are able to see there are many countries available in different colors. These shows the average log of GDP per capita and average openness to trade. The second graph is the openness trade by year, in which we have tried to identify relation between a country and openness to a trade and average log of GDP per capita in reference to years. That data shows from 1999 to 2012 and 2013 respectively. As if you want to see for particular country data, we can select the United States, and we can select many other country, let's say India. We can select any other country, let's say Vietnam, and some other country. Data will be changed accordingly. If we'll go towards downwards to dashboards, we are able to see we have mined out data for this World Bank data, and we have tried to create a word cloud between all those major nations which are very big giant for these trading industries. So those comes as a number of names of the United States, China, and Germany. Those are the some other also which are a background, so we don't much worry about those. Then we have tried to identify percentage of export and import by major nations through all over economy of the world. So those numbers for all over the world. So if for the import data you see the United States on the top, then China, then Germany, followed by Japan, France, United Kingdom, and some other countries. If you see the export data, then that would be China, United States, Germany, and some other countries, and so on. Then we move to the second dashboard, in which we have tried to identify the relation between trade on countries' growth, and we have compared top three developing countries and top three developed countries in terms of their GDP growth annual, imports of goods and services, exports of goods and services, child mortality rate, life expectancy at birth, literacy rate, poverty, and population headcount. That you can see that then the top three developed countries in the USA, Japan, and Germany, and top three developing countries in China, India, and Brazil. We have created a line graph between all those world indicators, which were present on the World Bank data website, and you can see the GDP is going from 2000 towards, in 2009 is getting bit downwards for all those countries, because 2009 was the year in which our all GDP for all the country hit by the market recession, and same values we try to show in the niche in the downwards geographical graph, in which try to show the Germany, China, India, and their values. Thanks guys, that's it for presentation. Thanks for